Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular images that you would like to delete from your Google Photo. So I'm going to select the image right here. Having selected the image, I will click on trash right here and click on move to trash. So you can see the image has been completely deleted from my Google Photo right here. You can delete as many as possible photo with this method right here. Click on trash, move to trash. So you can see the two images has been completely deleted from that section. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use your Google Photo, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.